In this video, we're going to create a master sheet for the floor plan. We're all ready to do this. So we right-click on Masters. We're going to do a new master layout. Left-click. We're going to change it to A3, most important. But this time we're doing the floor plan. You would put in your student name and your student number, our 10mm border, and we click and create. When we get this, we resize it using to fit in the window. The border at the moment is blue, so we have to use our line tool to create a nice thick border. The line here is nice and thick. We can use it. And so we click in one of the corners, we drag it across. I want to create a title block. I can then go to the line tool and select this line, and I can just simply put it in. And this time we're going to use our text tool. We've made it 8mm high. It's nice and black. We click OK. And we're going to call this floor plan. Remember to put your name and student number on all these drawings. We're going to remind ourselves that the scale is 1 to 100. The floor plan is 1 to 100. The site plan is 1 to 200. Remember this. And we click outside the box. Remember, if you hit the Enter key, it thinks you want a second line. So we now go to our floor plan. We go back to our project map. We go back to our ground floor. Now all we're wanting to copy this time is the floor plan. We've already dimensioned roughly what we're particularly interested in. But as you can see, the sections are way out here. So we move them in just a little bit closer, because as you'll discover, it's very hard to fit this in to an A3 sheet if we have the dimensions too far away. The sections are already here. The sections are here. And the section are clearly numbered. This is section 1, and this over here is section 2. So we're now going to copy. So we've gone into the arrow tool. We've already selected that we want to trace. We're tracing what we want to actually physically copy. So we hit the copy and we go back to our layout book, and there's our floor plan waiting for us. And we right click, we paste. We want it in the center of the current view, and paste. And there we've got our dimensions clearly shown. We didn't put the north point in, but we can do that if you wouldn't mind, because we need to have a north point on both the site plan and the floor plan. we're going to be printing this to A3. So when we set up our master, remember you must always, when you set up a master, right click. By setting up a master, you right click on it and you must select A3. We've done that already. It's already here. So I'll just do that one more time. Right click, new master layout. You must select the A3 print size. If you don't do that, you'll be running around trying to find a print place that print in A1. We want your drawings in A3. Click it. And so we're now ready to do our sections, which is the other master, or our elevations, which is the other master that you will need to create. But it's the same process as what we've just done. That's how to create a master sheet.